Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a BoxyCharm unboxing redo. I don't have my box anymore because I threw it away because I went to go edit my video and my sound was just gone. So we're going to redo the video. So it's why nothing's on my board over here. I just got the product sitting right here. I do happen to still have the card, so we have something. So Wildflower, if you guys haven't noticed, is the theme for this month. Boxy Babes right here. We've got 5 products, and let's jump into it. I did record a try-on video with these products. I don't know if it will be up because the first part of the video I have sound magically, and then the second half is no sound, just like with my BoxyCharm unboxing. So I may just voice over for the second half. We'll see. I can give you a little bit of my opinion as I'm doing this here, in case that video doesn't go up. So these I think were the first thing I grabbed out of the box. They are from the Alamar, I know I'm not saying that right, collection. There's 3 brushes, like a fluffy blender brush, an eyeliner or under your eye brush, and then this more dense brush for patting on shadows. I was not too impressed with this. It kind of just put the color like right in one spot and I couldn't really blend it out, which really aggravated me, but I do like these 2. These are Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set, retail for $18, made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. It might work better for just blending colors, not applying transition and crease shades. The flat, tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. Laura Geller, New York. This is a baked blush and brighten. This one is in Tropic Hues. Retails for $28. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth, long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. It's really pretty packaging. Here's the back. So it's got a compact up top, which is really cute, and then this is really, really pretty coloring. Yeah, close my door. The color on here is really, really pretty. I actually don't have any blush on, and I don't have a blush brush, but it's really, I mean, I know this is not the correct brush, but this is a really pretty pink hue to it. And it's really soft. I really enjoy it. I'm really liking this one from the 2 times I've tried it. Next product is this Hank & Henry lipstick. I loved the packaging on this. It took me some time to figure it out, but you just twist it open. It smells like frosting. It's amazing. There's a little owl top. Oh, it's up there. There's a little owl top. My shade is, it's a matte liquid lipstick petal pusher. Here, let me read about it. Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented longwear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. Retails for $17. It's a little on the darker side for me, but I really liked the applicator. It only took one insert or one dip into the container to do my whole lips. It's a really pretty color for fall. It just smells amazing. But I'll go ahead and swatch it for y'all since I did it in the original. So it's a really beautiful dark red. It's a little dark for me, but for fall I could get used to it. Next, this is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. It is a liquid eyeliner that has a wheel on it. And I pretty much hate this, just so you guys know. It's, here, I'll put it on my hand. You just roll it. And on my hand I can get a beautiful straight line, but on my eyes, like, you can tell it's like that. Like, I can't get it to look smooth. I don't know if it's I'm too shaky or what, but like, I just have a really hard time just with my gel eyeliner, my liquid liner pen. I can just, just in small strokes, and I can make it look smooth and even. This, I really can't. Let me tell you about it though. Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Create precise, ultra-fine wing liner looks. It is ultra-fine. I'm not very good at wing liner yet, so this might help with that. If I can just do the regular liner and then use this for just the wing, I'll experiment with the wing part more. Wing liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. Retails for $19. Now, I will say, it is very black. I really liked that. And this dries, it's dry. It's not going nowhere. So, I mean, that's really, really nice. Also, the when I did try it, I take my eye makeup off with our American Eye Makeup Remover, which takes off everything, including waterproof. I did have to work a little harder to get this off even with that, so it's got some staying power. And this, I mean, look, it's already dry. So maybe if I just get more used to the rolling aspect, it might be good. But right now it just irritates me, and being the mother of 3 children, I don't always have 30 minutes to an hour to get ready. So I like something I can just get on and out the door with. So I might keep it for maybe days where I have a lot more time to get ready, or video tutorials, or we'll see. So the last thing in the box was this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. I have obviously been using it. It's already dirty. It's really, really pretty packaging. It does have a mirror, and it looks like a bird cage, which I think is beautiful. So I have used this twice or 3 times, and I really like it so far. More cool toned shades. I didn't use more warm tone, but for this fall I may try and go to more cooler tone shades. I really like this clutch color right here and Flip Out. I have used those quite a bit, and I really, really like them. So, the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and luxurious smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. Retails for $35. I'll swatch some of these shades for you really, really quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I have to go finish dinner. So Flip Out, Clutch, and I will zoom closer, Hide and Seek. I haven't used Hide and Seek yet, but I think this would be a great transition shade for me, just to deepen the corner of the crease. Dark Side. Now, some of these colors do have fallout, I have noticed. We're going to do I Spy. I Spy was very pretty on the eye. Silver Spoon. Swoop. After Midnight. Well, let's do some of these will definitely take some build up, but I like that because I don't always like mine super bold and bright. There is the black, which is called All Nighter. So there's some really pretty colors on there. We've got Nocturnal. Let's get up here. It's a more of a white bone shade, so it's not going to appear on my skin. Pillow Fight. It's a neutral kind of bonish shade with some glitter shimmer in it. And then Break Free in here. Now Break Free does have a lot of fallout.
Sorry guys, more audio issues. I want to thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and the total of the box was $117. If you like this video, be sure to like it for me and subscribe if you want to be notified when I have future videos uploaded. Be on the lookout for my next BoxyCharm and possibly the try-on video. We'll see how the audio works on it. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!